8 percentage, which is like $654. Last 30 days, if you see, the BTC has actually performed really good, like plus 7.75 percentage. And if you see the last 60 days, you can see it has performed like plus 36%. So basically, if you just bought some Bitcoin 60 days earlier, and if you just hold till then your money would grow 36%. So if you put like $100 on Bitcoin, it's not like that you have to buy this one Bitcoin like 36,000 etc. You can even buy like $10 worth of Bitcoin. So yeah, so if you just bought $100 of worth Bitcoin 60 days earlier, now it would get you like $136, so which is pretty nice. And it's not like that you're only gonna have profit always. Sometimes you will have loss. You can see if you just go see the chart right here. If I just zoom in a little bit, so there is basically USD. Yes, USD. You can also see INR also. So yeah, here I'll just see if there is a better chart if I can get, because the mobile chart is better, I guess. Just 1 second. Markets. Yeah, here it is. That's what I was. So here you can see, actually you can set the timestamp. It is normally set, it is set at 1 day chart. So it's basically like every candles right here is a day chart. So every candle is 1 day, like this candle is day, this candle is another, that is candle is another day. So you can see today we had a little dump, yesterday had pump, the day before yesterday was a pump, this day we had a very big pump, very big actually, yeah. So yeah, and also before buying in some coins, just read about it, like what it is about, like what they're actually doing in the background, you know. Like here, if you come here, you can see the about Bitcoin. So yeah, definitely just go through every coins if you wanna hold something or buy something. So definitely before that, go through this about. For Bitcoin, you can see Bitcoin is one of the most popular cryptocurrencies in the market. First introduced in 2009 by Satoshi Nakamoto, Bitcoin has held the crypto market's #1 spot according to market capitalization. Bitcoin paved the way for many existing altcoins in the market, a pivotal moment for digital payment solutions. You can see, yeah, they're doing something. As the world's first cryptocurrency, so definitely you see that BTC is the first cryptocurrency in the world. Bitcoin has come a long way in terms of its value. However, one does not have to buy an entire Bitcoin, as Bitcoin can be divided into small units called Satoshis. That's what I just said, that you don't need to buy like a whole 37,000 worth of Bitcoin. You can even buy like $10 worth of Bitcoin. Named after the creator, Satoshi is equivalent to 0. You can see there's 0.0001 Bitcoin. There is no physical BTC token, so Bitcoin operates as a digital currency. Bitcoin transactions are fully transparent and can't be censored. Provide a global censorship-resistant medium for financial exchange. It's a financial system backed by decentralized network of computers known as nodes. Instead of centralized banking or government